Hello, my name is Norbu. I am a philosophy teacher and a meditation guide in Buddhism. I came here to meet Dr. Raman Kapoor at his clinic in Delhi, along with 10 members of my family who are actually accompanying our Bara Guruji, His Holiness, who is one of the most prominent and a senior teacher of this time in Tibetan Buddhism. I came to know of Dr. Raman Kapoor through my sisters who have been treated before by him. They found it extremely effective and almost miraculous. So we all were looking forward, and that's how we come to Delhi to meet Dr. Raman Kapoor and his associate here in the clinic. Our Bara Guruji have had a stroke many years before and has been having stroke-related complications, difficulty of movement and so on like that. Me personally, I have symptoms in retaining water on my upper parts. As well, I had dry cough. I have difficulty in sleeping with clenching of teeth, also reflux problems. So there were a few other complications I have as well. The members of our group have different kind of problems or symptoms, some of also having menopause related symptoms too. So we all came with a great hope here. And then we begin our 10 days of treatment course. And what I found here, actually, the most beautiful thing is that as a Buddhist myself, I found the philosophy of Pratitya Samapad, which means interrelated, interdependent, body, mind, and spirit. And this is pretty much a very core value that is practiced here in the clinic of Dr. Kapoor, and that feels very beautiful because they see you not as a pieces or bits or parts, but a wholeness of a human being with a holistic approach, and that brings a tremendous amount of respect, dignity, and kindness. I think for many of us, that in itself is already beginning of recovery. So from the second day itself, I discovered my symptoms greatly vanishing, greatly reduced, and I also noticed several of my members, my groups have also noticed from the second day itself. And so now today I'm completing my 10th day, and I could say very well that I have almost totally recovered from all the elements that I have. My voice has become much more stronger, much more clear, and my meditation has improved greatly. My digestion improved, my sleeping habit improved, my clenching improved, my snoring I failed to record, so that I'm not so sure, but I would say that yes, overall we all have witnessed a really great improvement in since when we walked in. So I found that the Dr. Kapoor is not just a prominent person of bringing or starting the practice of acupuncture in India. He's also received a lot of accolades from the President of India and many dignitaries. But for me, the most important is that he has been loved by the people who came here to be treated, and he really won their heart, and that is the important thing. And now as I'm walking out, I felt I'm walking out with the same feeling as I walked in, with the sense of respect, dignity, and kindness. And I am extremely grateful to not only Dr. Kapoor, but to all the people, the staffs who works here, who all really embodies that spirit of compassion with treatment. Thank you.